Okay, Tom, let's make this the best volcano at the fair.
Really? The best one?
Of course, we're a great team.
Okay, what do we need first?
Let's check the box. Baking soda, vinegar, and red food coloring.
I have everything right here.
Perfect. Now, let's read the instructions first.
Step 1. Build the volcano shape with clay.
Easy. You're good at this part.
How does it look?
Wow, that looks great, Tom.
Thanks. Now step 2. Mix the baking soda with water.
Good idea. Let's do it slowly.
Okay, I'm pouring it in now. Dad, look! It's working!
Wow, that's perfect. Nice job, buddy.
It's exactly like the video showed.
You followed the instructions perfectly.
I can't wait to show my class tomorrow.
They're gonna love it.
Do you think I'll win a prize?
With this volcano, I bet you will.
Let's clean up and get ready for tomorrow.
Sounds good, buddy. Great job today. It's good, but it needs just a little more power.
Don't change it now. It already works.
Trust me, honey. I know what I'm doing.
That's what you always say.
This time it's true.
Dad, are you sure about this?
Absolutely. Just a little more soap for extra bubbles.
But it already worked at the garage.
Trust me, it'll look amazing.
Famous last words.
Okay. I hope you're right.
I'm always right. Well, almost always.
Okay, everything looks good? Wow, Tom, your volcano looks awesome! Thanks, I worked really hard on it. Did you make it all by yourself? Mostly. My dad helped a little too. Cool! Is it going to explode? Yes! Wait until you see it. Okay, let's do a quick test. Phew! It still works. That was so cool! Right? I'm really excited to show the judges.
Good morning, everyone. Is everybody ready?
Yes, Miss Johnson! Yes, Miss Johnson!
All right, everyone. The judges are coming in 5 minutes. Get ready.
5 minutes? Okay, I'm ready.
Tom, your project looks fantastic.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. I tested it 3 times at home.
Great. I'm sure the judges will be impressed.
Okay, here we go.
Hello, you must be Tom.
Yes, that's me.
So, Tom, tell me about your project.
It's a volcano. It shows a chemical reaction.
Interesting. How does it work?
The baking soda and vinegar mix together and make gas.
I see. And what happens next?
I've tested it 3 times. It worked perfectly every time.
Great. Let's see it then.
Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. Is it supposed to do that? Just wait a second.
Take your time, Tom. No rush.
That's strange. It worked at home. Maybe you need more vinegar? Wait, let me check something.
Sure, go ahead.
Let me just look inside. I don't understand. Maybe there's a problem inside.
Oh my goodness!
That's amazing! Best volcano ever!
Whoa, watch out, everyone!
This is the best science fair ever! I am so sorry.
It's okay, Tom. Really.
Is everyone okay? I'm so embarrassed.
Don't worry about it, Tom.
Tom, that was incredible! Do it again! I don't think I can.
Don't worry, Tom. This is memorable.
Great. There goes my grade. Tom, are you okay? Yeah, just a little embarrassed. Don't be. Everyone loved it.
That was quite a show.
I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened.
No need to apologize. Science can be unpredictable.
I promise. It worked every time at home.
I believe you. Things go wrong sometimes.
So, I failed the project?
Not at all. Actually, I have a question for you.
A question?
Yes. Take a moment and think carefully.
Okay, sure.
Why do you think it overflowed?
Give me a second. Well, I think there was too much baking soda.
Go on.
And the soap made the bubbles last longer.
Interesting. What else?
The gas built up too fast. The container couldn't hold it all.
That's a very good answer. How do you know all this?
We learned about gas and pressure in science class.
So the reaction was actually too strong?
Exactly. Too much soda plus soap equals too many bubbles.
And what would you change next time?
I would use less baking soda and less soap.
Excellent explanation, Tom. That's real scientific thinking.
Really? You're not mad?
Not at all. Mistakes teach us the most. Understanding why it happened is the most important part.
Thank you. That means a lot.
That might have been my fault, actually.
Oh? What did you do?
I added extra baking soda and soap last night.
I told you so.
Yeah, you were right.
Well, it made for a great demonstration.
Next time, Dad, please listen to Mom.
Deal. Lesson learned.
And now, for our special award,
Please not biggest mess.
the award for Best Scientific Thinking goes to Tom!
Wait, really? Congratulations, Tom!
That's my boy.
We're so proud of you.
I guess my volcano really was unforgettable.
Just like I promised, the best volcano at the fair.
Best explosion, maybe.
Next time, maybe a little less soap. Wait, this is Paris?
It's so hot.
I can't run anymore.
Everyone, stay cool.
You ruined it! No, you did! I hate you! I hate you too!
Wow, it's so hot outside.
Yeah, hotter than I expected. Let me check the weather. Whoa! It says 40 degrees Celsius today. That's the hottest day of the year.
Tom, why are you wearing a winter coat and a scarf?
I read that Paris is cool in summer. I didn't want to be cold. Tom, you look like you're going skiing, not sightseeing. Okay, maybe I was wrong. This weather is way hotter than I expected.
Let's take that scarf off before you melt, buddy.
Better already.
Hi, we have a reservation under the name Johnson.
Yes, Mr. Johnson. Here are your keys. Room 12, second floor.
Thank you. Oh, quick question. Does the room have air conditioning?
I'm sorry, sir. Most hotels in Paris don't have air conditioning.
Really? In this heat?
Don't worry, we have a fan in the room. And you can keep the windows open at night.
Can somebody help me with this zipper? I'm stuck. That's what you get for wearing a winter coat in summer.
Okay, let's get this off you.
All right, everyone, let's go upstairs and get some cold water first.
Come on! Let's see everything. The tower, the river, the park. We only have one day.
Emma, slow down!
No time to slow down. I want to see it all.
Emma, be careful!
I need to stop. My head feels dizzy.
Here, put this hat on right now. You ran too fast under the hot sun.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
When it's this hot, you have to slow down and rest often. Running fast in the sun isn't safe.
Let's stand in the shade for a few minutes. Does anyone want some sunscreen too?
Yes, please. I think I got too excited.
It's okay to be excited. Just remember, slow steps, lots of water, and rest in the shade.
Excuse me, what cold drinks do you have?
We have water, lemonade, and ice cream too.
I'll have a cold water, please.
Lemonade for me, please.
Just cold water for me too, with extra ice, please.
Sure. And for you, young man?
I want ice cream! Chocolate, the biggest one, please.
Are you sure? It's really hot outside today.
Yes! Ice cream is the best way to cool down.
Here you go. 3 cold drinks and 1 big chocolate ice cream.
Oh no, it's melting! It's melting everywhere! Tom, it's all over your shirt! And my shoes too. Ugh.
That's why we chose cold drinks instead.
Tom, ice cream melts fast in 40-degree weather. Next time, a cold drink with ice is better. It cools you down without the mess.
Noted. Next time, water it is. Best comedy show in Paris! Can we please go up the Eiffel Tower now? The line might get shorter. No! It's too hot. I want to go back to the hotel and rest. We came all the way to Paris, and you just want to sleep? I'm not sleeping. I have a headache. It's not my fault it's this hot.
Okay, let's all calm down.
You always want to stop and rest. You're ruining the trip. And you never care how anyone else feels. This is so unfair. I never get to do what I want. Neither do I. You always get your way because you're older. That's not true. Yes, it is. I'm tired, I'm hot, and I just want to go inside. Well, I don't care. I want to see the tower.
Tom, Emma, that's enough. Stop shouting, both of you.
Look at us. We're all hot, tired, and a little cranky. That's normal in this heat, but shouting at each other won't help.
Sorry. Sorry too. I just feel really dizzy.
Let's sit here in the shade for 15 minutes. Everyone drink some water?
And Emma, put this cold towel on your neck. It'll help you cool down fast.
Oh, that feels so much better.
Emma, I'm sorry I yelled. We can go to the tower this evening instead. It's cooler then.
Really? Okay. I'm sorry too, Tom.
See? A little water, some shade, and a cool towel. That's all we needed.
Lesson learned. In Paris summer, plan around the heat, not against it.
Wow,
It's so beautiful at night.
And so much cooler, too. No more winter coat for me.
See? Good things come to those who wait. And drink enough water.
Next stop, figuring out why French bakeries close at the worst times.